Hey everybody, it's Ricky Cucci with Plumber Rescue. I got a quick PSA here. I had a customer this week call about drain issues, and I asked her if she had a clean out in her front yard, and she said she wasn't even sure what I was talking about. So this is just showing what they are. Here's mine in my yard. All it is just access to the main sewer line inside the house. That way we don't have to pull a toilet or get on the roof or dig down in the ground. It makes it a lot easier. Newer houses usually have them built in, but if you live in an older house, you probably won't have one. Here's another example of one. It's inside the wall of my house. This is for the kitchen sink line, but it's one of those things like the water meter. Just know where it is. That way when the time comes, you won't be searching for it. All right, everybody. Thank you. Bye-bye.